When you are at college, you never know what's a prank and what's stress relief. Tic Tac Toe is the best stress reliever in class. But the professor stops our game. No games! Only biology! Hey, guys! Take my new case! You can use it for your game! Hot glue the soft side of Velcro to cover a phone case. Attach pompoms with the hook side on top. Whoa! This is a mix of darts and tic-tac-toe! What a great game! And the professor doesn't notice! We both won! Let's start the test! Pick up your pens and begin! Where's my pen? Here it is! My magical relaxing pen with a maze inside! Take a pen apart and take out the ink chamber. Put a torn spring hair tie onto the rod. Put on the tip. Stretch out the spring all over the rod and hot glue to fasten. Cut a rectangle out of a clear plastic folder. Put on the refill and a little metallic ball. Wrap up the plastic and fasten it with a strip of double-sided tape. Cover the side holes with hot glue and decorate it with glitter. It looks like June got carried away with her pen. Time stopped, and she went deep into her subconscious. Young lady, we are actually taking a test here. Oh no, this hypnotizing trap caught Mr. Cosine too. What is going on here? That's it. Now everyone is stuck. Time and space is gone. All that's left is this pen. The spell is broken. Thank goodness. Let's get back to the test. Bad news! We are taking an exam tomorrow. Good luck, guys. Oh no, this is a disaster. I'm not ready at all. The other students are relaxed before the test, but June is extremely anxious. She needs help right now. Here, June, take my stress-relieving skirt. It'll bring you luck in the exam. If there's a hole on a denim skirt, make it even bigger with scissors. Also, add a cut a bit higher. Undo the threads and cut out a rectangular piece of fabric between the cuts. Rub the edges with sandpaper. Sew in reversible sequin fabric. Make another patch on the other half of the skirt. Here we go! The scary day is here! But June is super calm. Her skirt is her secret. June pets her skirt and gives correct answers to all questions. Keep up the good work, June! Guys, you'll have a substitute teacher today. Behave! Relax. You can do whatever you want. Just don't be loud. This new teacher is great. But Alex breaks the terms of the agreement. He turns on his music too loudly. Hang on, we had an agreement. Put the speaker on my desk and be quiet. How do I save my speaker? I have an idea. Let's swap it for a mini roly-poly speaker. Mix metallic balls into air-dry clay. Shape a ball and let it harden. Wrap a strip of paper around the ball and make a cylinder. Apply glue to the edge of the cylinder and glue on a circle of gauze. Put the ball inside the cylinder and cover the other side with gauze. Decorate the cylinder with colored sticker paper and paint the gauze. Attach a printed logo of a speaker. Would you like to try my mini speaker? You have to put your arms together and lower the speaker without letting it fall. Whoa, this is actually a lot of fun. This is a nice trade. You need to train to play with this toy. You can have your speaker back, Alex. Turn it up so we can have fun. Guys, we need to come up with a prank for our professor. It has to be cool. Girls, I have an idea. My slime won't let us down. Watch. Good morning, Mr. Cosine. Oh, Alex, you solved the equation very well. What's that? A sticky handshake? Well, thanks. Whoops! Mr. Cosine is the star of my Instagram story. Well done, Alex. Professors are people too. Mr. Cosine needs to relieve his stress right now. A book is his best helper. Cut a lunchbox with a heated utility knife. Trace it on the pages of a book. Cut out a hollow in the block of paper and put in the lunchbox. Put in soil and plant grass seeds. Water the seeds using a pipette. And wait for the grass to grow. Phew! This is so satisfying. Green grass is very calming. June loves drawing in class, but Mr. Cosine would like to see her working on a test instead of hearts. Well, since my paper got taken away, I'll draw on my backpack because it's actually a super satisfying coloring page. Wrap thick cardboard in fabric and trace a unicorn template with a fabric marker. Add details and patterns inside the outline. Fill in the background. Attach the piece to a backpack. My backpack will be the cutest ever. But Mr. Cosine never cared much for art. He took away all my markers. That's so mean. What should I do now? Take my markers. June keeps on drawing. Nothing can stop her. What? She's drawing again? Hey, Da Vinci, leave the classroom right now. June finishes her masterpiece in the hall, and even Alex likes her backpack design. Look, Emily, my backpack looks so nice now. And it's all because of your markers. Thanks a lot. Emily dreams about getting bangs, but she's afraid to cut her hair. How can I find a compromise? Here's the new girl, and she has bangs. She is so lucky, not like me. So what's holding you back, girls? If you want bangs and don't want to cut your hair, use these fake bangs. They look good on absolutely everyone, and the sequins calm your fingers. Cut bangs from reversible sequin fabric. Glue hair clips to the back. Cut the edge into a fringe. Make it look like strands of hair. Whoa! Emily looks like a burlesque queen with her new bangs. And you can easily change the color. Unfortunately, guys don't get how cool these bangs are. Art class is full of nothing but stress. My drawing isn't turning out right again. It's a disaster! Poor Emily, she is so sensitive. Take my relaxing markers. Cut a marker with a heated utility knife. Cover the wadding with a piece of soft plastic and glue it to the cap of a soap bubble bottle. Coat the cap with glue and sprinkle it with a lot of glitter. Put the marker cap onto the soap bubble bottle. Decorate the bottle with rhinestones. Make a few bottles with different markers. Thanks! These markers are so strange, but I still can't do it. Nothing can help me. Hang on, no need to break my markers. Just open them and release your tension by blowing some soap bubbles. Whoa! Markers with soap bubbles put me back in a good mood right away. It even reminds Mr. Cosine of his childhood. Now everyone will have high grades, except for Alex. Alex, your drawing doesn't match the topic of the class. We are focusing on modern minimalist, not classical drawing. Did you like our stress-relieving ideas? Then comment below what you'd copy. A lawn in a book, a coloring backpack, or fake bangs. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss new college stress relievers from Troom.